Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day in the life video. We are on our way to archery class, and in today's video I just want to share some of the benefits of homeschooling and explain how things are going to be changing for us for the month of October. You know, there are so many different benefits to homeschooling, but one benefit that I'm finding in this month of October is that I am able to adjust my plans accordingly depending on the season of life that I am in. And if you've seen my videos, it's no secret I've been struggling a little bit this month, and so we decided to take this month a little bit easier than normal. I have been doing different things with the kids, like today we did archery, and my daughter and her friends were able to meet together during the school day and earn their archery badge for their American Heritage Girl. It was a really nice opportunity to get out and do something different. They brought their brothers, and this was just one of the many blessings of being able to be flexible during the homeschool year when you needed a break from all the structure. It's October, and God, I had so many plans for this month. It's one of our favorite months, and although I did decorate, I just can't seem to get out of this funk. So this month I knew I needed a slower school month to get a mental health break. So we are doing like zookeeper for language arts, math lessons, and a little of this and a little bit of that. We have been taking the time to learn new skills. We have been saying yes to every field trip and social activity as well, because every single bit of outdoor time helps. So when you're homeschooling, you're in charge of everything when it comes to your kids, and it's okay to skip some seat work and just live life to the fullest when you need it, giving your children rich and hands-on experiences along with time with friends and family. Now, if that's not a homeschooling benefit, I don't know what is. God bless you guys, and stay well.